Be honest. You walk in your front door, arms full of groceries, and what greets you? Shoes everywhere, a mail pile from last Tuesday, a coat thrown over the banister. Your entryway is the handshake of your home. It's the first thing you feel walking in and the last thing your guests remember walking out. So today, I'm giving you 7 of my favorite design hacks to turn that chaos into calm. And hack number 6 is the one my guests compliment every single time. Stick around for it. If you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and join us. We talk home, garden, and simple living every week. All right, grab your tea. Let's get started. Hack number 1, the console table. Let's start with the piece of furniture that changes everything, a slim console table. Without one clear surface, everything ends up on the floor or your kitchen counter, and once that happens, it's nearly impossible to keep the rest of the space looking tidy. Even a narrow table works if your hallway is tight. The goal is depth, not width, so measure your space before you fall in love with a piece online. Look for one with a drawer or a shelf underneath so you get a beautiful surface up top for a tray and a lamp, and hidden storage below for the things you don't want on display. And keep the top styled with no more than 3 items: a tray, a small plant, maybe a candle. Anything more, and it starts collecting clutter all over again. And before you know it, you're right back where you started.
Hack number 2, woven baskets. If you've got shoes, leashes, or umbrellas piling up by the door, baskets are your best friend. Big, beautiful woven baskets tucked under your console table or a bench instantly add warmth without adding visual noise. Here's the trick most people miss. Assign each basket a job. One for shoes, one for outdoor gear, one for seasonal items like scarves or sun hats. When everyone in the house knows exactly which basket things go in, cleanup takes 2 seconds instead of becoming a whole project. And rotate them seasonally. Snow boots in winter, sandals in summer, so you're never digging through things you don't need. If you have grandkids visiting often, keep a small basket just for their shoes too. It saves you from tripping over tiny sneakers every time they come by.
Hack number 3, a statement plant. Nothing breathes life into a cluttered corner like a beautiful green plant. The eye goes straight to that greenery instead of noticing what's out of place, which is honestly one of the oldest tricks in the design world. For dim entryways, go for low-light champions, a snake plant or a cast iron plant, both nearly impossible to kill, and both known for actually improving air quality indoors. Pop it into a ceramic or terracotta pot that's a touch taller than you'd expect. Height draws the eye upward and makes a narrow entryway feel bigger. Water it once every week or 2, and it will genuinely thrive on neglect. Perfect for a busy front hall. If your entryway gets 0 natural light at all, don't worry. Even a faux plant in a beautiful pot gives you that same calming effect. Hack number 4, go vertical. We let coats pile up on chairs and banisters because they never had a real home. So go vertical. Skip the bulky coat rack and install a row of elegant wall hooks instead. Brass, brushed nickel, wrought iron, whatever suits your home's personality. Here's the professional organizer's rule I swear by. Hooks are a landing spot, not a storage spot. Only hang what you're wearing today. Your everyday jacket, maybe a bag. If something's been sitting on that hook for 2 weeks, it belongs in the closet, not on display. And hang hooks at 2 heights if you can. Lower ones for kids or grandkids' bags, so everyone has their own spot and nothing ends up dumped on the floor. This one small change is often what finally stops that pile of coats on the chair problem for good. Hack number 5, the statement mirror. A classic designer trick. Hang a large framed mirror right above your console table. It bounces natural light around the room, making even a dark, narrow hallway feel open and airy. And it gives you that last glance before walking out the door. One tip, hang it so the bottom edge sits roughly a hand's width above the console, and angle it very slightly downward if you can. It reflects the floor and the doorway, not just the ceiling, which makes the whole entryway feel twice as spacious. And if you can, choose a frame that echoes another metal finish already in the room, like your wall hooks or a lamp base. It ties the whole space together without you even trying. Hack number 6, my favorite, the closed catch-all. Here's the one I promised you. For years, I used a pretty decorative bowl for my keys, and it became a magnet for everything. Receipts, loose change, hair ties, random buttons. Charming for a week, then just clutter with a nicer name. So I switched to something closed, a small wall-mounted key box with a door, or a shallow drawer in the console table itself. The moment your keys and your everyday items have a hidden home instead of an open one, the whole entryway looks calmer instantly, even if everything else stays exactly the same. Add a small hook inside that same cabinet or drawer for your everyday tote or dog leash, too. One closed spot for the 5 things you touch daily, instead of 5 things scattered across the surface. It's such a small shift, but it's genuinely the change I hear about most from viewers. Hack number 7. Tame the mail, once and for all. The entryway's oldest villain, the mail pile. The fix is one small tray, dedicated only to active mail. The moment you walk in, sort it right there. Junk straight to recycling, bills and letters in the tray, nowhere else. Set yourself a simple rule. The tray gets emptied every Sunday, no exceptions, so it never has the chance to grow into a stack. And wherever you can, switch your bills and statements to paperless. Less paper coming in means less paper to manage every single week, and it's one less thing pulling your eye toward clutter every time you walk through that door. 7 simple ways to turn your entryway from chaos into calm, and none of it needs a big renovation, just a little intention each day. Which hack are you trying first? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. If this helped you even a little, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home and lifestyle inspiration every week.